Alrighty, y'all. So far we've seen there's a group of like 6 does that came out and a small buck right at first light. Alrighty, y'all, it is November 16th. It has dropped like 15 or 20 degrees since yesterday. We've seen a couple doe out in this field at first light, but other than that, nothing yet. So, feeling pretty good though. I think there's a good chance that something pops up this morning.
Bet. Bet.
Alrighty, y'all, I just shot one. He's bedded in the middle of the field. I hit him the first time, but I missed the 3 other follow-up shots. I don't know what happened. I think he might be dead right now. He bedded down in the middle of the field. I think he's expired. I wish I made a better shot on him, but thank you, Lord.